Welcome to Event Styles LLC, where we bring the style to your events. Today's video will be part 2 of my pool party decorations video, where in part 1 I showed you how I created this beautiful tiki bar for less than $75, and today I'm going to show you how I created this treat table also for less than $75 using products from Walmart, Amazon, and Dollar Tree. So here is a list of the materials that I used to create this treat table. Majority of the stuff that I did get was from Dollar Tree, and again the cost was less than $75 in total. So this is how I arranged the tables for setup. To decorate them, I used this Hawaiian party kit that I got from Amazon, along with some white tablecloths that I got from Walmart, some backdrop stands from Amazon. Using this Velcro tape that I got from the Hawaiian party set, I'm going to cut it up to get more use out of it, and then I'm going to use the tape to secure the Luau skirt that also came with the party kit, and then I'm going to secure the skirt to the white tablecloth. So this is how it looked. There wasn't enough for the space at the end, so I'm just going to cover that up with the Luau skirts that I got from Dollar Tree. Check it out in part 1. Next, I'm going to take this palm tree decoration that I also got from Dollar Tree, and I attach it to the backdrop stand. Next, I'm going to reuse this leaf backdrop that I got from Amazon. I used it before at another party. That's why there's already holes at the top. What I did was use a zip tie to try to secure it to the backdrop stand. But before I did though, I decided to swap out the backdrop stand that I was using with the stand that was being used for the tiki bar in part 1. To find out why, go ahead and watch part 1 now, or feel free to watch it after this video. Once the backdrop stand is actually up and the table is decorated, you're basically done. Next, I'm just going to go in with these decorations that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to place everything up using tape as needed. For the bars on the side, I'm going to use these balloons that I blew up. I got them from Amazon, and also this fishing wire to secure it to the columns on the side. I just tied them in place, as you can see, and then everything that's on the table I actually got from Dollar Tree. And just like that, my friends, the treat table is done. Thank you for watching the video. Let us know what you think in the comment sections down below, and be sure to follow us on our other social media pages to stay connected with us, and we'll see you in the next video.